In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for small business that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Snapmaker A350T 3D Printer. The Snapmaker 2.0 A350T is a modular 3-in-1 3D printer that combines 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving in one versatile machine. With a large build volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, it allows users to create larger models and prototypes without splitting files. Its innovative modular design, powered by CAN-bus technology, ensures efficient and stable data transmission while enabling easy assembly and component changes. Built with an all-metal body and high-precision repeatability of 0.005 mm, the A350T delivers reliable, high-resolution results across its functions. It comes with Snapmaker Luban software featuring a 5-inch touchscreen, intuitive interface, power loss recovery, open-source compatibility, and support for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, and USB cable. Additionally, Snapmaker offers 1-year after-sales service and support resources such as a quick start guide, user manual, technical assistance, and access to an interactive community. Number 2. Dremel 3D45 3D Printer. The Dremel 3D45 3D Printer Kit is an award-winning, user-friendly 3D printer that is ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Recognized with the PC Mag 2018 Editor's Choice Award and a Google for Education partnership, this printer offers a high-quality printing experience. It features a removable glass build plate that heats up to 100 degrees Celsius and a durable all-metal 0.4 mm nozzle capable of reaching up to 280 degrees Celsius. With a 5-inch full-color touchscreen and intuitive icons, setup and operation are seamless, allowing users to start printing within 15 minutes of unboxing. The printer boasts a fully enclosed plastic design with a build volume of 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches, ensuring better prints, improved safety, and reduced warping risks. Additionally, it includes built-in carbon and particulate filters for cleaner operation. Its compatibility with both Windows and Mac operating systems makes it versatile for various users. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra S1. The Anycubic Kobra S1 is a high-speed, high-precision 3D printer designed for efficiency and versatility. Featuring a robust Core XY construction, dual-motor drive, and Kobra OS system, it delivers smooth and precise printing with a travel speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s² acceleration. Equipped with LeviQ 3.0 technology, it offers effortless automatic bed leveling and Z-axis compensation for a true out-of-the-box experience, catering to both beginners and advanced users. Its full metal hot end can reach up to 320, while the hotbed can maintain up to 120, supporting a variety of filaments such as PLA, TPU, ASA, ABS, and PETG. With multiple nozzle sizes available and access to Anycubic's Maker Online model library featuring thousands of free designs, it ensures a seamless 3D printing experience. While nozzle clogs may occur, the brand provides troubleshooting resources and prioritizes customer satisfaction with dedicated support for any issues. Note that the Anycubic ACE Pro for Kobra 3 is not directly compatible with the Kobra S1 without an upgrade. Number 4. MakerBot 3D Printer. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is a high-quality 3D printer designed for easy, fast, and reliable printing. It offers a 25% larger build volume and prints models 30% faster than its predecessor, featuring a factory-leveled build plate and a new grip surface to reduce warping and curling. Equipped with the MakerBot Smart Extruder Plus, which has undergone over 160,000 hours of rigorous testing, it ensures consistent performance and superior results using MakerBot PLA materials. The printer is cloud-enabled and includes advanced features such as an LCD display, onboard camera, and multiple connectivity options like USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. The package comes with the MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer, Smart Extruder Plus, a spool of PLA material, a flexible build plate, and power, USB cables. Additionally, MakerBot provides a comprehensive ecosystem of 3D printers, materials, and software to meet diverse printing needs. Number 5. Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D Printer. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the latest iteration of the award-winning 3D printer series, designed for high performance and reliability. This model comes as a DIY kit for self-assembly, with an option to purchase a fully built and tested version. It features advanced functionalities such as fully automatic mesh bed leveling, an IR filament sensor with filament auto-loading, and a pores function when filament runs out. Built with premium components like genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and the EINSY Rambo motherboard, it ensures precision and durability, making it an ideal 3D printing workhorse. The package includes a US power supply, an 8GB SD card, and a free sample of Prusa PLA filament, 2x25G. With its innovative features and robust build, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus stands out as a reliable choice for 3D printing enthusiasts.